Me.
Little fucking nigger bird. Oh, oh. Oh,
God. It was on me.
I felt the air from his wings. Oh, here it goes again.
It was like right here on my back.
I'm trembling with fear. I'm shaking. Goddamn. No, not my ass. Oh God.
It was on me. It was on me, guys.
Nigga, we heard you the first time.
It was on me. I just want to make sure they get it.
Oh, God, Larry. Poor fucking Rocky we was here. Goddamn. I'm trembling. I'm fucking shaking. Fuck this shit. I'm going back in here.
It's gonna come right back here.
Well, we got leg room to dodge and leave.
It's gonna.
No. Fuck this shit. Are you crying?
No, you stepped on my toe. It hurts.
Oh, well. I'm black. I'm black, so this is happening.
No.
Oh God! You need to know what's up.
He's scared of it. He's
Like,
crying, but he's scared of it. It's normal to have a fear of a bird. Dude, it's okay. Look,
I'm the one
it's just a
trembling.
bird. It ain't gonna hurt you. Look.
It's a goddamn animal.
Animal.
It ain't gonna hurt you.
No, you better go.
Oh, fuck you, baby. Oh, okay. On the lady's head.
No.
Not.
Are you okay?
Yes, my foot still hurts like a motherfucker.
I'm trembling.
Daniel, you're taking us both down.
I'm a bitch.
I'm a bitch, too.
We were both bitches, scared of birds and shit.
Willie Bill's a bitch, you guys. God, the rabbit shit.
Oh, look out!
Larry, get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! Larry! Larry!
He's in the covers!
No!
Nigga, get the fuck up. Goddamn.
Where's it at?
Right there.
No!
I'm trembling. Oh my God. I'm trembling. Oh no.
Where's my bunny? I want my bunny.
You probably done ate it. Goddamn. What angel will you need him? I need a distraction. Goddamn. Oh my God.
No, you better get
Just look at it.
I see it. It's just a bird. I know it's just a goddamn bird, but it's got a beak and it'll take my fucking eyeballs out.
Not my ass. No, not my ass. Not my ass.
What's up?
Take your goddamn eyeballs out!
Not my ass. Not my ass.
Daniel.
I'm bobbing and weaving.
If it was gonna hurt you, it'd done it. It isn't gonna hurt.
Get up now, Will. It's your time to go. Nigga, I don't get you a chance to go.
Daniel, where's the goddamn bird?
Right at your goddamn cover, because Larry's right there beside
Go
you.
the fuck on, Larry. Stop, really. I have sweat in my eyes and I can't see. Just get the bird away from me real quick. If you get the bird away from me, I will look at the goddamn bird.
It's in there.
I will put... No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Fly.
It ran in there, like for real. Ask Daniel.
Yeah, I'm recording it right now. It's right there.
God damn, I got sweat in my eyes.
On a plate. And going under the dresser. Oh, yeah, it went. I think it touched me.
It was on my back. I felt this little fucking devil claw on my back.
Yeah.
I don't know where the money bum is.
Where's my bunny?
Probably dead.
I think the bird ate it, dude.
Told you. Oh, no. It's in there somewhere.
Now's our chance.
Do you want the rabbit?
Yeah, I want my bunny.
Let me see where I can find it.
I got sweat in my eyes, Daniel. It hurts really.
It'd be a good video getting checked by Larry's bird in HD. Oh. I think I saw it. Okay, now I'm paranoid. Oh.
There's Pikachu. Look, goddamn, how big it's got.
Oh. I hear it. I hear the bird.
Hey, Pikachu.
Funny.
Pikachu's gotten big, man.
I can tell. So, Larry has a bird and a rabbit. This is partially my rabbit.
Nick, I was here when he had the rabbit under the fucking thing was there.
Thing, stupid.
Oh, yeah, and this was Larry's bunny. Name to be decided soon.
Pikachu.
But she's not yellow.
Don't matter. It was small and cute like Pikachu. Now it's all fat and fucking fluffy.
I'm still trembling.
It's still cute.
Hey, Pikachu. Hey, baby.
That bird's a menace.